Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Another big day of progress is unfolding around Camp Nou. Third-tier seating installation is now moving closer to completion, while the compression ring is slowly starting to give shape to the future roof structure. At the same time, the ceramic lamas are transforming the exterior of the stadium day by day, and even the underground interior areas are beginning to look more modern and complete. With every new visit, Camp Nou is looking more spectacular than ever before. The latest footage from the top rows of the third tier already gives a stunning preview of the future fan experience. From the highest seats, the panoramic view of both the pitch and the city looks absolutely incredible. Even from the last row, visibility appears excellent, showing just how carefully the stadium has been designed. The scale of the upper bowl is now truly starting to feel real, and the new Camp Nou already looks enormous from these elevated sections. The compression ring continues dominating activity around the stadium. Massive steel boxes, pillars, and radial beams are now being installed one after another as cranes operate across multiple sections simultaneously. Today, workers lifted and secured both box number 24 and box number 25, marking another major milestone for the roof structure. Some of these enormous pieces weigh up to 40 tons, showing the incredible scale of the engineering involved in this phase. The pace of installation is clearly accelerating, and the upper structure of Camp Nou is beginning to look more advanced every single day. Additional cimbras are now being assembled around Gol Sur and Gol Norte to support the upcoming compression ring sections. Several support structures are already fully installed, while new bases continue appearing across the third tier. At the same time, radial beams are also arriving around the stadium, connecting different structural points and preparing the framework for the future roof system. Work is now happening simultaneously across several zones, creating non-stop activity around the entire stadium. The ceramic facade keeps transforming the appearance of Camp Nou. New blue and red lamas were installed today around the lateral facade and corner areas, completing even larger sections of the exterior design. From different perspectives, the facade changes color depending on the sunlight and viewing angle, creating a spectacular visual effect already visible from ground level. Even without the future lighting system installed, the facade now looks modern, massive, and unmistakably unique. Several super pillar sections that were unfinished just days ago are now almost fully covered, showing the incredible speed of the installation teams. Another major development today is the return of work on the lateral diamonds. Workers are once again assembling steel reinforcement structures, preparing new concrete phases, and installing the first visible skeletons around the parking facade. This area had slowed down previously, but activity has now returned strongly. The first structural frameworks are already visible, confirming that this iconic section of the project is entering a completely new phase. Inside the stadium, work continues advancing around the VIP ring and hospitality levels. Curtain wall installations with aluminum framing and glass panels are already visible across several sections, while crews continue working behind the facade on interior spaces. New internal walls and divisions are also appearing around the second tier, where future restaurants, hospitality zones, bathrooms, and premium seating areas will be located. The underground parking area in the main stand zone is already showing a stunning result and looks truly impressive. This two-level structure features electric vehicle charging points and a polished epoxy floor, giving it a bright, modern finish. The space feels wide, functional, and fully prepared for future stadium access, forming part of the stadium's growing underground city taking shape. That's all for today's update. Another incredible day of progress around Camp Nou, with major developments happening across nearly every area of the stadium. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next update because the transformation is only getting started.